I think everybody should be required to take a midday break from work and color a cookie. So, I've got some cookies here, some little cuties, and we're gonna do something special with them. But first, we need them to be covered in royal icing. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do this and give it a little shaky. This is a toothpick. I'm just gonna stab any of the bubbles and then give it a little shaky, shaky, shaky. It's fast. So you just get rid of all the bubbles. That took no time. I didn't even touch a pastry bag. Magic. And let them dry overnight. Coloring book, cookie, icing sheets. You can do them on Oreos as well, which I will show you in a different video. This is just a sugar cookie. I have the recipe. It's from my husband's grandma. They come out like just totally flat and perfect. And so go onto the site and look for the Casbah cookie recipe. It's awesome. Wicked sticky, bow glue, barely need any. We'll do one of each. There we go. We are ready to roll. Ready to color. See if this works. So we're just gonna stick this guy in here. I need more glue. Super cute. See you. Well, this is our Halloween marker set.
That you can color right over the lines and it doesn't bleed.
That is kind of nice. I think everybody should be required to take a midday break from work and color a cookie. Super cute. Okay. Oh, we wrote trick or treat.
Testing out that black fine tip.
Yeah,
Works
just
great.
showing off that you know how to spell, aren't you?